This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot pre-season promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below. This video is sponsored by Interplay Learning. Simulation-based step-by-step service testing procedures, beginning to advanced courses available. A fun and entertaining way to advance your skills. Limited time discount. Link and promo code in description below. Yeah, both zones are calling. Yeah, well, it takes a little, when you first turn it on, it takes a little time.
How many burners are in there?
Six.
Huh?
Six. It's 105,000 BTUs in, 80 out.
Oh.
You when I did all the cast iron radiation, you come to 50,000 total.
Yeah.
So this is putting out 80.
Yeah.
So this boiler's bigger than what you need for the house.
Yeah.
I could have went with a smaller one, and it would have still been enough. But you were complaining about, so we went with this
The other
style.
one I think was 125,000.
Well, they oversized it. Well, you could feel the both returns coming back nice and toasty. You know.
Yeah.
Okay, so I just wanted to make sure our combustion was good, which it is.
Now why is the one upstairs on?
Because it's calling for heat.
Because it was set at 70 and it's shut off.
Well, it's
Will it shut off again?
yeah, it's gonna shut off. It's going to cycle on and off until it's satisfied, you know. I had to move the thermostat over here for him. You want this one at 55?
Yeah, set it back.
All right, 55. That light should have went off.
Did it just go off?
It should have went off, that light.
Yeah, it did.
Okay. Here's the acceptable levels here. We're right there. Where we need to be. I could have played with the gas valve and got it a little better, but I'm good. $8.3 on the oxygen, no, 8.9 on the oxygen, and 6.3 on the CO. PPMs was 26. So we're good there.
No leaks.
No leaks. Did the combustion test and I'm gonna come back, make sure there's no issues. I mean, it's all nice and dry. No leaks anywhere.
I haven't smelled any gas.
No.